Hello everyone. So we have to learn today how do we switch from video call to voice call in WhatsApp on an Android phone. Right. This is confusing for some people, so I'm here to clear that confusion. So what you have to do is make a WhatsApp call to anyone whom you want to switch video call with or voice call with. So there is an option of video call. So let's call that person, and well, these are my contacts. I'm going to be visible in this. Obviously I will blur it, but yeah. Anyways, so let's the other person pick up the call, and you see two options, well, many options, but the ones in white option are the one who are on. So one is video call on the left side and the other is voice call, right? If you click on video call, then your video will get off, right? So you will not be visible to the other person, and if the other person does the same thing, then also it will be converted towards voice call, right? And if you click on that sound one, then your voice will be removed from speaker. That's it. Well, we are here to know that how do we switch from voice call to video call and video call to voice call, right? So if we click on the video call, then it will be off, and if both the person does it, means off the video call, then it will be converted to normal voice call of WhatsApp, right? So I'm requesting the other person to switch to video call, and you can see that the other person has picked up. Well, it is blurred for you, but anyways, so how do we do it? We If we want to convert it to normal voice call from video call, then you both have to click on that video option, the circle in the on the lower part, right? And if you want to switch it up, you click on that again, request for the other person to take up the video call and switch it from voice call to video call, right? That's how we do it. It's very simple. And if in random conversation with someone you want to switch it, you can. Well, the point is that if one click on that video option, then that person's video will switch off, right? But if both does it, it means that it will be converted towards a normal voice call. And to get that video call back, what you do it, you have to request for the video call as you have seen in the video, right? And the other person will accept it, and then you will be able to get on the video call. So yeah, that's how we do it. Very simple, very easy. If you have any queries, drop in the comment section. We will see in the next video with more WhatsApp related issues. So yeah, thank you. Tada.